Welcome to the world of knowledge. Today we will learn useful English and Spanish sentences for a doctor's visit in the USA. These phrases will help you explain your health problems and understand the doctor better. Let's get started.
I have an appointment. I have an appointment.
Tengo una cita. Tengo una cita.
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
No me siento bien. No me siento bien.
I have a headache. I have a headache.
Tengo dolor de cabeza. Tengo dolor de cabeza.
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache.
Tengo dolor de estómago. Tengo dolor de estómago.
I have a fever. I have a fever.
Tengo fiebre. Tengo fiebre.
I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor.
Necesito ver a un doctor. Necesito ver a un doctor.
Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy?
¿Dónde está la farmacia? ¿Dónde está la farmacia?
Can you give me a prescription? Can you give me a prescription?
¿Puede darme una receta? ¿Puede darme una receta?
How much does the medicine cost? How much does the medicine cost?
¿Cuánto cuesta la medicina? ¿Cuánto cuesta la medicina?
When should I take this medicine? When should I take this medicine?
¿Cuándo debo tomar esta medicina? ¿Cuándo debo tomar esta medicina?
Great job. Now you know the most useful English and Spanish sentences for a doctor's visit in the USA. Keep practicing and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the World of Knowledge for more bilingual learning videos.